Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Hyperliquid. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is properly installed and configured in your web browser. This is a crucial first step for any decentralized application. Next, open your browser and go directly to the official Hyperliquid website. Once the page loads, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this will initiate the connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet, a list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask from this list. A MetaMask pop-up window will then appear, asking for your permission to connect to Hyperliquid. Carefully review the details and click Connect or Approve to grant access. It's also important to confirm that your MetaMask wallet is on the correct network, typically Arbitrum 1, for seamless interaction with Hyperliquid. Once approved, your wallet address should be visible on the Hyperliquid platform, confirming a successful connection. You might see a portion of your address or an icon indicating connection status. With your wallet connected, the next step is to deposit funds into your Hyperliquid account to enable trading. Follow the on-screen instructions for depositing assets. After funding, you are all set to explore and engage in trading activities on Hyperliquid. For your security, always double-check the URL to ensure you are on the official Hyperliquid website and not a phishing scam. Phishing sites can look very convincing. Remember, your MetaMask seed phrase is the key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Keeping it private is paramount. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.